Hello everybody, I'm Nindo, and I'm going to reaction about this video called SML movie 6-7. I just really hate 6-7. It's really enough of those 6-7 jokes. After the last Chevy Afraid's number 7, the biggest fear. Chevvy's biggest fear. Look, and earlier. There's a centipede right into the ceiling that I just upload my alt account. Right there. And I have a question update. I got the camera. It's nothing too wide. So I back up and I got my new mic, you know. And this one my little guy OC in real life. This is me right there. And I got the videos right there. You know, sometimes got it for my birthday, the new camera, but it's really actually slow and even more quality, you know. Just like, let's go and continue this movie. I wonder why.
Oh man, guys, I hate school.
Oh, sorry. Let's see.
Oh man, guys, I hate school. It starts so early.
No, dude, it's so boring.
Cody, what time do you wake up this morning?
Oh, around 6 or 7.
You know, this is not funny. Like, seriously, this is not funny. Not even funny about Chokes Up 6-7. Like, there's even that little kid boy just said 21. And cuz it's getting me on nerves. And there's probably a new meme, a new number meme. 6-1. This kid with the black hood just like doing that sometime, like creepy face, bro. Like creepy face. Like, I watched. I showed my dad, you know. Like sometimes my dad and my brother always saying 6-7. But I always say it all the time.
Hey, Joseph, what time you
But I don't even say that.
Remember, I think it was around 6 or 7. It's nearly at bedtime.
No.
So this morning, I made a macaroni and cheese cup, the microwave boards.
Yeah.
And I put it in the microwave for around 6 or 7 minutes.
That's not the instructions at all.
What is this, bro?
What are you guys talking about?
You've never heard of the number 67?
I mean, I have, but I don't get it.
You're a girl.
What's the height of your dream man?
Oh my god, like 6'7".
My God, why the girl just sit there just 6'7"?
Oh man, oh, it's so funny. Oh, guys, do you think the teacher's gonna notice what we did on the test yesterday?
Oh, if he points it out, I'm gonna finish right here. Oh, dude, me too. I need some napkins. I know.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Hey Cody, how many days are in a week? What if you were unsure?
6 or 7.
My God. That high ass bitch laugh.
Alright, class, I am fucking pissed! You all took a test yesterday, and you all got the same 2 questions wrong.
Oh no.
Guys, here it goes. Which ones teach?
The questions that everyone got wrong are 6 and 7.
Oh God. Oh my God, that's stupid ad, bro. This ad! The ads! They even ad! I'm lagging to this ad! I always react to those videos, you know what it's due! God, no. What's second chill? What the?
Shut the fuck up, class!
What? Stop! I just like it. Stop! Oh my God!
You're gonna be expelled! So since you don't know how to answer basic math questions, we're gonna start all the way over in the beginning.
get it.
And we're gonna learn how to count. So count with me, class.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, no.
Let's go back over. We're about to do 6, 7.
My god, Jackie just brought a mana breakdown. Alright, so that's not nice! Cream in my ear. And well, Jackie doesn't say with S. Kareem. Means scream. Scream in my ear. 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 I like that 13 minutes.
Okay, guys, maybe we should count down.
I got a one from my rest.
Yeah, we should take a break for like
6 or 7 minutes.
I don't get it.
Don't laugh.
Well, they told me centimeters my weary.
No.
Hey, Junior, come here. Pete. What the fuck's so funny with all these 6'7" shit? Well, no one really knows why it's funny, but if anyone...
Did he just say 6'7", bro? Cause last time I seen the show at 2. I seen so at 2. Jeffy always saying a 6'7" on a tornado. It came on a tornado incoming, bro. Every time, always Jeffy saying 6. Oops, just broke the keyboard. Hold on.
Says 6, 7, or 6 or 7, you're supposed to laugh.
Oh, I get it now. Yeah, get it now, fucker. All right, class, I got the resource officer. So what's going on? They keep
Why did he Jackie Drew? Why Jackie Drew just bought the police on the class?
They just want some creaming in my ear.
the creaming?
Yeah, creaming like with your mouth. No. Right in my ear, they won't stop.
Oh, screaming.
Yeah, that's what I said, cream.
Yeah, okay, class. No more screaming in your teacher's ear. He's trying to teach you stuff.
Yeah, I keep telling them over and over and over and over again. They keep creaming.
Oh!
You to stop like 6 or
Oh
7
yeah,
times.
bro. I hate my face scratching, bro. No, please, no. Please, no! Whoa! 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 What are you doing?
These two numbers, they creep really loud.
Okay, class, settle down. I'm gonna tell you.
I know that. This is what scares me the crap out of me.
Was 66 years old.
Oh.
And he died at 68.
Thank
And
God.
he and my grandma's favorite position was 69.
That's just a pretty funny number.
Because I walked in on them doing it when I was 6 or 7.
Oh.
Okay, I think I get it. I'm quite the comedian, aren't I?
No, they literally laugh like that when anybody says these two numbers.
Nah, I don't know. I think they laugh more when I say it. I think it's just something about my
I
accent.
bought my got my this old keyboard. You know, to hear those. Something like that. Got my keyboard right there. You can hear something.
All right, class, lunch is in 6 or 7 minutes.
I gotta tell you something. Officer God, thank God you're here. We got an active shooting going on right now.
Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. But first, I gotta tell you a story.
Okay, just make it quick.
So my grandfather was 66, right? But he died at 68.
I'm very sorry to hear that, guy.
No, let me finish. Okay, so he and my grandmother used to 69.
Okay, I don't know why you're telling me that.
Yeah, well, I walked in on him doing it when I was 6 or 7.
That must have been very traumatic.
No, I don't think you get it. See, I was 6 or 7.
I don't know if this is just your way of dealing with trauma, but I don't really know why you're telling me. I mean, was it hot?
I'd say it
This is
was
like
a
so boring to
6 or
talk.
7 on the hotness scale.
That's higher than I would have guessed.
No, I don't think you're supposed to laugh because I said 6, 7.
I don't know what's going on.
Brooklyn, come on! Come on! I will stop. Come on, police. Brooklyn guy, why you can't be saying 6, 7? Stop saying 6, 7. Stop saying 6, 7. Stop saying 6, 7. No more 6'7" jokes.
But we really need you at that shooting right now. 6 or 7 people have already died.
Oh my god, bro. fucking character.
You're right. It's not funny.
No, especially not, because every victim was between the ages of 6 or 7.
No, no, not funny. Not funny, bro. Not funny. Not funny. Not funny!
Administratively for a while, we're gonna have Simmons handle this. I'll call you back in about 6 or 7 days.
No, this is not funny, bro.
7 in this bed.
Did you learn anything new today, Jeffy?
I learned about 6 or 7 things.
Is Jeffy feeling okay?
I don't. 6, 7. What's so funny about 6, 7?
Oh my god, this is not funny. Patrick?
Jeffy, can you tell us what 6'7" means?
Why is he laughing at Tybo? He's finally laughing, bro.
Well, but someone has to do it.
Just animal noises. Ah, come on, Rose! I don't like my teacher saying it. I don't like my school. I don't like my school, bro. Teenage students are saying 6'7", and my friends too in school. Joe and Lewis, my friends. My goodness, bro.
Hey, Marvin. Goodman, what are you doing here? Well, it's the beginning of November.
Let me see. I'm good. I don't want to get a record. Stop. Stay recording. Like I had to like move this out.
You haven't paid your house bills. I don't have it. Yeah, you haven't paid your house payment like 6 or 7 months.
That's just my son, Jeffy. He laughs every time he hears the numbers 6, 7.
Well, I think they was
The laughing shit upstairs, bro.
your credit score is between 6 or 7. No, hey, and if you don't pay your
Why is
house
he
bill
always laughing
in
like
the
that?
next 6 or 7 minutes, Marvin, look at me. In the next 6 or 7 minutes, I'm gonna shove 6 or 7 tennis balls down your urethra.
Bro, why is Jeffy sound like rapping? Why does he sound like sounding like a rabbits? The rabbits like funny, like rabbits are laughing, okay? In the show, in TV show series, in Nickelodeon.
You know how big a tennis ball is? Pretty big. And it's a lot bigger than your fucking urethra. So I'm gonna be outside. If you don't pay me your house payment in the next 6 or 7 minutes, shut the fuck up there. Down your urethra. I got it.
Animal closer.
Jeffy, shut up.
Oh god, that face, bro. I'm doing it again. Seriously, I'm doing it again. Like a little bit. I'm just screenshotting to this Jeffy's face. Saying 6'7".
Because I haven't paid my house payment in 6 or 7 months.
How much do you owe, Marvin?
Probably like $6,000 or $7,000. So yeah,
My god.
No, what are we gonna do?
well, how much money do you have in your wallet?
$6 or $7?
He has enough laughing, Mo. Stop with that laugh.
I've been really insecure lately. What would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Well, baby, to me, you're a 10. But to other men, you're probably a 6 or 7. Well, baby, what would you rate me?
Like a 4 or 5.
What?
But to me, you're a 6 or 7.
Jeffy, shut the fuck up! Stop laughing! Oh my god, this ad, bro. Parents love children who play Roblox. Oh, hell yeah! I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Bro, this Roblox, this ad is weird. Its ad is weird. I saw. So, I skip it. You know? No. First of all, no. We're not doing that.
Thanks for coming out tonight. Wow, we got a big crowd here tonight. I think we got like 6 or 7 people. Wait, what are you doing here? Marvin, I figured out what I'm good at. I'm a child comedian. What? Yeah, well, I'm not myself a child, but I'm a comedian for children. See, I told a joke today, it hit school, it killed. And I told the same joke to my boss, and he didn't laugh, and he put me on administratively. So I figured I can only make kids laugh. Watch. Hey, what's the deal with phone calls, huh? Whenever I call somebody, it rings like 6 or 7 times.
I don't think you're funny.
Oh, okay, fuck you, buddy. We gotta.
Oh my god.
Hey, Tubster, hey, Tubby, how many burgers you eat today? 6 or 7? Yeah, wait, what about your big hog of a wife? How many pieces of bacon can I carve off that bitch? 6 or 7?
That is not funny, though.
I think it's the number you're saying that's making people laugh.
No, it's me, Marvin. It's my accent. It's the funny faces I make. Hey, watch me do Robert De Niro. I have little bread. Can you milk me? 6 or 7 times?
Oh, okay. My story. Okay. In this morning, 7 o'clock, we going out to take to mom to drop me off at school. But and for right now to go to school, that little girl just said 6'7". That little girl just said 6'7". Seriously, it gets to my nerves. It gets to my freaking nerves and my goddamn purpose, bro. God, I hate when people saying 6'7". I don't like saying 6'7". Always a little bit like 6'7". Okay, I don't like it. So AI has a military fucking AI 6'7" brainwash. Stop using this AI.
Was a bad
Okay, fuck you.
I think you need better.
Oh, God.
I think you're just saying that number that's making
Okay, well, let me show you my best joke, okay? So, my grandfather, right, he was 66, and he died at 68. No, hold on, he gets better. And he and my grandma used to 69.
How do you know they did that?
I'll tell you how I know. Because I walked in on them doing it when I was 6 or 7.
My God.
That's kind of weird.
You saw him do it.
I didn't really see it. It didn't happen.
So you lied?
No, it's just for the joke, you know, just I say that.
You just need a better joke.
Okay, fine. Here's a new one. Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Oh my God.
7, 8, 9. And why was 10 afraid? Because it was in the middle of 9/11.
Don't joke about that.
What?
That's not funny.
Too soon.
Too soon? It was like 24 years ago. What do you mean?
You're supposed to never forget.
I didn't forget. That's why I'm telling jokes about it, so we can remember that it was funny.
I was looking at my phone. I'm sorry.
I mean, this is how we remember by telling jokes, right? 62! There we go. We're back.
No, see, he's literally laughing at those two numbers. You could say any joke, and it was 6, 7.
Oh my God.
6, 7, 6, 7.
No!
I'm just shit.
Oh my God, what was that? Oh my God, that phrase. He just do like that. His eyes, bro.
Even know what's funny.
Okay. Let's just. Sour, I swear, I keep swearing a lot. Okay, I swear a lot. I swearing a lot too many times. But even in this, 6'7" is horrifying meme. But probably every good memes, not even bad name of 6'7". Just when I know that, kind of fella. Just when I know that. But please like the video first and subscribe. subscribe to this my channel. Heard this a little bit. I've been busy for this 1 month. I didn't upload a video. Only I tried to even upload my short videos. It gave me lots of feels. And the video was called "I Am So Alone." I feel so alone. My mom's not coming. My brother is still here. He's still sleeping. I felt scared. I felt terrified. Holding my teddy bear, sleeping away, covering my blanket. You know that. So I hope you guys enjoy your life, and see ya.